But let's talk a little bit about our portable data format. This is something Veeam was really passionate about, right? We wanted to always ensure our backups are portable and restorable anywhere. And it started from the simple fact. We just wanted to ensure that in the event of disaster, you could restore anywhere. You may not have a much choice when your entire data center is down, right? So we want to make sure that you have many options available. But now this capability kind of plays in altogether different color as well, right? And that's many customers are now looking to re-platform their VMs to a new hypervisor, right? And that's what we make it very simple. We really expanded these capabilities in version 12.2, where this newly added hypervisor support for Proxmox VE, right out of gate, it supports restoring any backup, whether it's physical, virtual, cloud, to Proxmox VE. And but yeah, it all comes down to this portable data format, and B, our broad storage support, right? It wouldn't be possible to deliver any of these capabilities if we didn't have the two, right? And it really allows you to not only easily reuse whatever existing storage you already have in place, right? You don't have to go buy something else. Whatever you have will likely work with it, right? But it will also enable you to very easily, if you decide to start using our turnkey backup repository as a service offering, which is Veeam Data Cloud, or perhaps you can point your backups directly to any cloud object storage of your choice, right? We just make it super easy, and it works with any storage out there.